Welcome to PMT YouTube channel. I, CA Sujaya Date, will discuss today the applicability of GSTR 9 and 9C for financial year 18-19. Let us first understand the applicability of GSTR 9, that is GST annual return. The assessees whose turnover is up to 2 crores, they will have an option to file GSTR 9. Now, what do you mean by having an option to file GSTR 9? That we will discuss in our later slide. The assessees whose turnover is about 2 crores, for them it is mandatory to file GSTR 9 for financial year 18-19. Now let us see the applicability for GST audit for financial year 18-19. The assessees whose turnover is up to 5 crores, for them it is not required to file GST audit report. It is not applicable to them. However, for the assessees whose turnover is above 5 crores, it is mandatory for them to file a GST audit report, that is GSTR 9C. Now in earlier slide, we have seen there is an option to file a GSTR 9 for the assessees whose turnover is less than 2 crores. What do you mean by having an option? Whether to go for that option or not? What are the pros and cons for that option? Let us discuss those. An assessee who opts the option and not to file GSTR 9. In that case, it is deemed to be considered that annual return has been filed before the due date. And such GSTR 9, that is annual return, will fetch a data from GSTR 3B and GSTR 1 filed during the year, assuming that the returns filed by the assessee during the year are true and correct. So any errors, omissions, mistakes which might have occurred while filing GSTR 3B and 1 will continue in GSTR 9 as well. And the assessees who opt for this option will not be able to file GSTR 9 even after the due date with the payment of late fees. So it is always advisable to file GSTR 9. So you can rectify the mistakes, errors or omissions which might have occurred while filing 3B or 1 during the year. Only thing we need to consider over here is when we decide to file GSTR 9 for financial year 18-19, we have to remember we need to file such GSTR 9 well within the due date. As on the due date, it will be assumed that it will deem to be filed. In this video, we have seen the turnover limit of 2 crores and 5 crores. How to determine this turnover limit of 2 crores and 5 crores, that we will discuss in our next video. So to getting further updates, keep subscribing to our channel and thank you.